Hey guys, Lech here. Quick video to show you another way how to cut a tongue and groove cut in your boards. I'm building a sauna, so I use these for my inside panels. Basically, you have your groove, you have your tongue, they intersect, you have a nice solid connection, waterproof, all that. So I showed you guys in the last video how to do it with one of these, which is pretty simple, right? You put this in your router, you have your groove bit, which once you line it up in the middle, you cut it like this. Then you have your tongue, which basically you put in the router, line it up, and you get a cut like this. Now I'm going to show you another way. I'm making a door. I'm doing a 2-inch wide door. This time I'm doing it with a bit like this. It's just a straight bit. I'm using the 1/2-inch one that I already have in my router, and I have it set to about 3/4 high, 1/2 inch away. That's the width of the bit, so 1/2 inch away from the guide here. And then I'll just run this through on each side, and I'll have my tongue. Then I'll run it this way, line it up in the middle, and I'll get my groove, and I should have my tongue and groove cut. Show you guys a close-up of the bit. It's just a 1/2 inch version of the straight bit. Now let's do our cut. We got a perfect 1/2 inch tongue now, and now we'll just have to make the groove and we'll be good to go. So now for our groove cut, you just want to make sure you are in the middle. So mark your board in the middle, line it up with your bit in the center of that. Once you are good there, you can make your cut. We got a groove. We can do a test fit, and that's it. Tongue and groove cut, guys. That's simple. Hopefully this is helpful. Any questions, comments, let me know. Check out my other videos on this stuff. Review of this skill router, which is a beast. I literally cut all the boards for the sauna with it. All the outside ones, I did a shiplap. I did tongue and groove for all these boards. And I'm not even using any fancy bits. So stay tuned for more, guys. Appreciate you. Please subscribe, follow, come back for more.